Hi guys, I've had a few requests for speed. People weren't quite sure what to do. So here we've got our formula triangle. So we've got speed, distance and time. That's what the three letters stand for. You might have seen this in science. Those of you that have done trigonometry will have seen similar triangles in trigonometry. But essentially it just helps you remember which way around it needs to go. So speed, distance, time. If you think about it, it's your school name, back to front, TDS. What we're going to do is calculate just some basic speeds, distances and times. So let's say I have a car that has got a speed of 10 miles per hour, it's going very slow, and it's travelling a distance of 5 miles. I want to work out the time. So to do that, I know I've got a speed and I know I've got a distance. This is the one I'm trying to find out. So if I cover it up, it tells me to do the distance divided by the time. So at the time, the distance is 5 and the speed is 10. So this means it's going to take me half an hour or 30 minutes. Okay, that's how you use your triangle. So if I was trying to find the speed, I would cover up the S and it tells me to do the distance divided by the time. Now, something that quite a few people do struggle with is when it gives you things like 15 minutes. So people will make the mistake of dividing by 15. So a few things you might want to make sure you've got written down somewhere that you know. So 30 minutes, you should be using, if you're doing obviously in hours, 0.5 hours. If you are doing 15 minutes, then obviously that is a quarter of an hour, so 0.25 hours is what you should be using. If it is 45 minutes, then it is 3/4 of an hour, which is 0.75 hours. If you use those, you'll find life a lot easier. Obviously that's if you need to calculate in hours. And vice versa, if they tell you that it's 0.5 hours and you want to have things in minutes, then you would use 30 minutes. Make sure you know those conversions. The only other one, say it's not 30 minutes, 15 minutes or 45 minutes. So what about if we wanted 6 minutes? So to get that, I'm going to actually do it as a fraction. So that's 6 minutes out of 60. Which obviously you could simplify down to a tenth or 0.1, but whatever the minutes is, put it over the top of 60 and it will tell you what that is going to be as a decimal. You can use your calculator to help you with that. I know it's only been a brief video, but that is literally all it is you need. If you've got any more questions, then obviously please get in touch with me.